Hi guys, my name's Chris. I'm just going to do a quick video on my lawnmower, which is a Victa Silver Streak 2-stroke 160cc. It's a retro lawnmower now. I got it off my dad, who got it off a mate of his dad actually, so that's how old it is. I think it's from the 70s. I'm not a mower expert or anything, but it's definitely one of those old retro 2-strokes. It's got to love the bloody smoke when this thing fires up. So I thought I'd just give you a quick walk over it, because I jumped online actually because I had to rebuild the carby, and I looked at a couple other people's tutorials on how to do that. There was a lot of good information there regarding rebuilding the floats in the carbies and doing the decompression valve modification, which I've done. Which all you do is you disconnect it and you screw an old spark plug down in there. Bob's your auntie. The thing's got twice as much compression. It's running like a train now. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick walk around and see what you reckon. Alright guys, here's the actual mower. This is what it looked like. I haven't actually seen another one like this, especially on YouTube, because it's got the a rounded plastic cover on top. Most of them that I've seen in the Silver Streaks were square. I don't know what the difference is. So yeah, that's what she looks like, Silver Streak. So for its age, it's got some pretty cool old stickers on it. So there's the original Victa high torque 2-stroke engine sticker. And over here, here's the old BP filling up instructions. I'm talking about 1 pint of BP to and 1 gallons and stuff there, just really retro. Yeah, there's the carby down here and the primer, and they're really basic engine spark plug. Nothing too crazy. You can see mine's had a lot of wear. I've bloody got holes in the cutting disc, and bloody the catcher I've pop riveted up that many times because it's broken up, and the top's got a couple of holes. I wouldn't mind restoring it one day, but yeah, there you go. There's the air cleaner on it. What they look like. That's what the cleaner's inside there. Yeah, so that's my old mower anyway. So yeah, I'll see what you guys reckon. Like I've never seen one with the round head like that. They're all bloody square, the ones on YouTube. So yeah, that's what they look like. And I'll start it up here in a second and show you what it's like. It's from the 70s, so she's a few years old, and yeah, still cuts like a train. Okay people, we're about to fire her up. Standard procedure, just turn on the fuel. Obviously it's 2-stroke, I've had to pre-mix it. Just pump the ball a couple of times. Pumpy. Set your throttle adjustment to cold start. And then just give her a yoink over. Gotta love my starter, she's an old screwdriver. Here we go. There you go, boys and girls. Victa 160cc 2-stroke silver streak. Hope you enjoyed it.